So, I was thinking, in the nature of making impromptu videos, do academics need space to help them think and write work away from your computer and your office and your general cluttered work environment? Um, Personally, I think it helps. I grew up somewhere very non-academic, and I spend a lot of my weekends doing something that's not more work if I can help it. For example, I am walking through the shed that I spent until 11:30 yesterday, helping bag up 10 tons of barley, evidenced by the sacks, excuse me, and the auger and the mill and everything behind me. That was my weekend partial exercise. I spend a lot of time in the countryside doing things that have nothing, what you might call intellectual, classical value to them. Things like this, bagging up, doing deliveries, doing all the harvest in the summer. You get interrupted by the crows. It did always make me think, has it had an impact on my ability to sit and write and formulate arguments and stuff and construct papers? Do you need somewhere away from what you normally do to give you some more plasticity in your thinking? I'm not so sure it's become normal anymore for academics, although there was some kind of historical trend about some people that's been very successful in research doing what they might call menial. I don't consider this menial work. The classic was Einstein, who had his kind of patent and filing job, with lots of other people who would claim that going for a walk was the best place to generate an idea. I think I might be with them on that. I think my brain gets fatigued if I try and do too much, and having some time to do something completely random and relatively physical, whether it be baling hay, spreading fields, doing something with beating up old tractors, it does seem to help. So my question to you would be, do you think to help you think better, nicely worded, you need some kind of other activities or other space? Because to my mind, having something away from a city, an office block and a research centre that's the polar opposite has been probably very good for my head space to be able to put myself somewhere else temporarily. And I think my brain, somewhere in the back departments of it, just chews on ideas without me even necessarily knowing about it. What do you think?